Think of human nature as a garden where both weeds and flowers can grow. Just as the beauty of a garden is cultivated through care and attention, the good within us is nurtured through our knowledge, choices, and virtues. Darkness may exist like weeds, but by carefully tending our inner gardens, removing the weeds of ignorance, and watering the flowers of wisdom, our true goodness shines forth. It's not a battle between good and evil, but a quest for balance in which light prevails through wisdom and virtue. Imagine a vast ocean that represents everything there is to know. Standing on its shore, each of us holds a cup in our hand that symbolizes our current knowledge. The wise are those who realize the smallness of their cup and the immensity of the ocean. In this sense, accepting one's own ignorance is like recognizing the immensity of the ocean. It is the first step to filling the cup. In today's world, where knowledge is abundant but fragmented, recognizing the limits of our understanding paves the way for authentic inquiry, growth, and the pursuit of truth. This humility before the vast ocean of knowledge drives us to learn more, understand more deeply, and navigate the complexities of modern life with a clearer vision. True success must be compared to a harmonious symphony rather than the loud clamor of victory and battle. It is not the accumulation of wealth, the applause of the masses, or the conquest of lands that one finds enduring fulfillment. Instead, true success is the music that arises when the soul's virtues are in harmony with the actions of the individual. Like a maestro leading an orchestra, success is measured by the ability to create harmony within oneself and in one's interaction with the world. Therefore, let your success be measured not by the setbacks you have suffered or the moments of achievement you've had, but by how your actions consistently reflect your core values and have a positive impact on the world around you. In a time when information flows like a flooded river, the search for truth is like panning for gold. The sand and gravel of misinformation, distractions, and platitudes must be sifted through the fine sieve of critical thinking and judgment. Just as the prospector patiently washes away debris to reveal nuggets of gold, we too must approach information critically, question its source, examine its logic, and confront it with our reasoned understanding. This research process, based on the Socratic method of questioning everything, allows us to extract nuggets of truth from the vast streams of information that flood our daily lives. Leading a good life in the tapestry of modern existence is like being a skillful weaver who integrates threads of various hues and textures into a coherent and beautiful pattern. The threads represent virtues such as wisdom, courage, and compassion. A good life comes not from the pursuit of personal satisfaction or material wealth, but from nurturing the soul through these virtues and weaving a tapestry that also contributes to the well-being of others. Every act of kindness, every pursuit of knowledge, every moment of self-reflection contributes to this tapestry, creating a life full of rich patterns and colors. It is in selfless contributions to the common good and the tireless pursuit of wisdom that one finds true fulfillment and leaves a legacy that will endure through the years. My pleasure. Thank you.